So if we look at the S&P 500, it is consolidating off of that overbought condition that we talked about over the last couple of weeks. There's some good news in the resilience of the S&P. What you can see, it bounced off the 200-day moving average back last week when we had a bit of a correction. And that every time we see these big morning sell-offs, that you've had strong intraday reversals. But as of right now, the S&P 500 has continued to show signs of resilience as it even burns off that overbought condition. One thing to note is that we do think that we're stuck in this wide choppy range. We don't see signs that we're going to get big escape velocity to the upside, meaning that you're already starting at high valuations. We'll talk about positioning being important, but that we could still chop around, 5,500 would be an important level of support for the S&P. If we were to see further downside, maybe because of tariff headlines or potentially weaker earnings, or kind of the list goes on. So we do think that you're still stuck in this wide choppy range. There's drivers to the upside, there's potential risk to the downside, but certainly kind of a little bit in this no man's land after we've seen such a powerful move.